Tell me whatever your questions.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে হয়তো এটা আগে করে ফেলছি, এটা একটা লুপের জন্যই করছি। বলছি যে যখন স্কোয়ার ওয়েভটা তৈরি করব তখন তো জাস্ট একটা টি অন একটা টি অফ হবে না, তো পরপর পরপর যেমন আমি দেখালেন হতে থাকবে। তো এটা নিশ্চয়ই আমি প্রোগ্রামিংটাকে লুপে ফেলবো।
অবশ্যই লুপে ফেলবো।
ওকে, তো যখনই লুপে ফেলবো, এটা যেহেতু মোড ওয়ান আছে, তাহলে ইনিশিয়াল ভ্যালু মানে এফ 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 হওয়ার পর তো ইনিশিয়াল ভ্যালুটা আমার 0 0 তে চলে যাবে।
সেই 0 0 তে যেন না যায় তার জন্য আমাকে এগেইন উইল বি স্টোর fff2।
হয়তো বলছি তাহলে আমাকে ইনিশিয়ালাইজেশনটা বারবার করে রাখতে হবে,
বারবার ইনিশিয়ালাইজেশন করতে হবে। এভরি টাইম উই নিড দ্য ইনিশিয়ালাইজেশনস।
ওকে স্যার।
If you are into the mode 2, then initialization is not required.
Not required. Yes.
Next, CPLP 1.5. So what will be the happen in the CPLP 1.5 is nothing but a first one, then it will be 0.
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yeah.
স্যার এখানে তাহলে যখন আমাকে ইনিশিয়াল ভ্যালুটা বারবার রিপিট করতে হবে, আমি ডিরেক্ট মোড 2 ইউজ করতে পারবো?
হ্যাঁ, মোড 2 ইউজ করতে পারবো।
আচ্ছা,
এখানে একটা এক্সাম্পল দেয়া হয়েছে। এবার তুমি কি মোড করবে আরো ডিটেইলসে আসছে পরের প্রোগ্রামগুলো। This is not fast starting. That's why I have given is very simple program.
Okay.
Okay. So A call delay. What are the A call delay? CPLP 1.5 means a toggle, either 1, then it will be 0, then 0, it will be 1, right? A call delay, what will be the functions of A call delay? It's a very important A call delay. Just jump from this line to that line. From this line to that line, it will be jump, right? What will be done? Set b tr0. What are the function of set b tr0? Tr0 will be set, means corresponding get pin will be automatically on. This get pin of timer 1. Can you see my copy?
Yes sir.
This get pin of timer 0 will be automatically on. As a result, this timer means timer 0 will be in operation. Timer 0 will be in operation. This yesterday I told you this 4 bit is for timer 0 and this 4 bit is for timer 1. So this timer 0 will be in operation, right? Means it will be start the counting. When counting is over, when TF flag is set. Which TF? TF0, because we are related with the timer 0. So it's a TF0. If we are related with the timer 1, then it will be TF1 will be set, right? So TF0 when set, when after FFFF, when it's become 0 0 0 0, in that particular time, timer 0 will be TF0 will be set in this time interval, right? When FFFF is over, so this line will be repeated once again and once again until TF0 is equal to 1. What are the meaning of that? Jump at not bit. Jump at not bit. जब तक ये 0 रहेगा, जब तक TF0 is equal to 0, तब तक इसमें jump करेगा. Means how much time TF0 is equal to 0, then it will be jump once again and once again and once again, right? Coming into the next line, first it will be start from again 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 and so on. So first we should be stop the timer. That's why CLR TR0. Here set b TR0 means timer will be on. Here CLR TF0 means timer will be stop again. Because we will not start from 0 0 0 0 H. We will be start from F2H. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So that's why stop the timer. CLR TF0, because TF0 is already set, so it should be set. Otherwise, next time we cannot check whether it's set from the previous or we set is now. So that's why CLR TF0 and return means from where it is called A call. So it will be return into the next line of the A call delay, means S jump here. What are the function? S jump. Over here again the value of initialization is stored. Even coming into the P1.5 means P1.5 before the instruction is 1, then it will be 0 again from delay from this line to this line, right?
Yes sir.
और को ये कर दिया Any queries regarding this program?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any queries, any doubts?
No, sir.
Very good. So going into the next. Before going into the next, we should be explaining the copy. Otherwise, this delay formula I cannot explain you. Sir, next the question is how much delay is required? How much delay is required? It's a very, very important question. How much delay is required? Now question is, this delay will be calculated. Say I am in a mode 1. First I am talking about the mode 1. Mode 1 delay calculations. Everyone can see my copy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So mode 1 delay calculations. Say I am given ABCD initial value. Okay. So it will be start from ABCD, then it will be ABCE, ABCF, similarly ABFF. Okay. Next we can say next AC00, next ACFF, next AD00, next
ADFF.
ADFF. I'm not going into the every points. I'm coming into the end. FFF.
Yes.
Next, my calculations is how we can count that, how much counting will be there. How we can say that how much counting will be there.
মানে স্যার আগের প্রোগ্রামিং এ যেমন আপনি ধরলেন ওই F2 থেকে FFF ওই জিনিসটা তো
Right. So how much count? First see, this is a one block. This is a one block. How many counts over here?
8.
না না 00 to FF.
How much?
15.
What is the FF? What is the FF of meaning?
255.
255.
255.
So 0 to
Yes, sir.
255 means 256 count will be there.
Yes.
256 count over here. So every step 256. If I am forget about this one. Okay. So we can write like that. Sir, how much 256 will be there? FF, this FF minus AC.
It will
Is it
be,
clear or not?
yes, sir.
This FF minus AC. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
This FF minus AC. You can see, sir, FF, then also FF 00 to FF. What are the last step? FF 00
0, 0 to FF. Yes, sir.
right? So we can easily say that is, FF minus AC plus 1 into 256. I plus 1 ta keno sir? Please count 3 to 5. How much?
3, 4, 5.
How much?
3.
3. If I am given a formula, if I am given a formula like 5 minus 3 plus 1.
একদম
Similar. AC to FF means FF minus AC plus 1.
plus 1. 64.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
3 to 5 means 3, 4, 5. So 3. So if I am given a formula like 5 minus 3 plus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Say 5 to 10 means 10 minus 5 plus 1. Similarly, I can say FF
Minus AC
plus 1.
plus 1 whole into 256.
Whatever it is, I will explain you later on.
Okay.
কিভাবে কিভাবে হলো মোবাইল থেকে হয়ে গেল ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে is it clear
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SF minus AC plus 1 into 256 that will be that is I am coming so we can say right into 256 right is it clear
Yes, sir.
sir FF means plus 1 means
Yes, sir.
what is the FF meaning in decimal
FF 256.
Sir,
255
255. Yes. Yeah, sorry, sorry.
FF plus 1 it is the 256
256.
so 256 minus AC if I am right like AB plus 1 I can write
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
why I am right AB plus 1 maybe the questions is arrived because it's starting from AB that's why AB plus 1
Okay.
okay
Hmm.
sir
Yes,
if this is a initial value then this value will be stored into where this value is stored into where
AB will be stored into TH0.
TH0 or TH1 is called THX
THX and TLX.
this is called TLX
TLX.
is it
TLX.
clear so
Yes,
AB is nothing but a is called value of THX CD is nothing but a called the value of TLX
TLX.
is it clear or not
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so using the formula we can write down 256 minus THX plus 1 into 256 I can write
Yes, sir.
it's clear to everyone or not next coming into this part how much count CD to FF is a very simple one
FF minus CD plus 1.
very good plus FF minus CD plus 1 okay
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of FF plus 1
256.
256
256
minus
Minus
CD.
minus
CC plus 1.
minus
CD.
CC.
CD means
TLX.
বলবো
TLX.
TLX.
okay
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so plus 256 minus TLX okay
Yes, sir.
next question is this is the number of machine cycle required so what are the T state required
Into 12.
into 12 sir what are the time required
Divided by 12.
divided by FOSC frequency of oscillations so I'm just given over here also into 12 by FOSC is it clear this is the formula for mode 1 okay
Yes, sir.
now my question is what will be the formula for mode 0 বলতে পারলেই চকলেট পুরস্কার what is the formula of mode 0 what will be the formula of mode 0 mode 0 means it can
Same
count
formula.
from
13
0 0 0
FF1F.
if
FF1F.
anyone
Yes, sir. 000 to FF1F to. এক মিনিট, এটা তো FF 2F থেকে FF অব্দি হলো, তো এটা তো 000 থেকে FF 1F অব্দি।
আমি জানি না 0 ফর্মুলা, আই নিড দ্য ফর্মুলা। আমি কি এখন এখানে এবিসিডি কোথাও লেখা আছে? দিস ইজ দ্য ফর্মুলা। এটা ফর্মুলা তৈরি হলো তো, দিস ইজ দ্য ফর্মুলা। হিয়ার এবিসিডি ইজ মেনশনিং এনিওয়্যার?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
নট নেভার, নট নেভার। ফর্মুলাতে কোনো ভ্যালু থাকবে কেন?
সেমই তো হবে তাহলে। না, আগে থেকে বলে দিলাম, আমি খাতায় করে দেখি। সেম হওয়ার তো কথা, দেখা যাক। আমার তো ফার্স্টের ওখানে হবে 00, কোথায় গেল? FF 1F, তো তাহলে FF মাইনাস 00 বেশ FF ই হয়ে গেল, মানে হচ্ছে FF প্লাস 1 মানে 256। স্যার বলবো,
হুম,
FF minus 00 plus 1 into 256 plus 1F minus 00 plus 1, তার মানে হচ্ছে 256 into 256 plus
ফর্মুলাটাকে বলো আমাকে, এত জেনে নাও।
1F মানে হচ্ছে 20।
মানে দিস ইজ কারেক্ট, 256 minus THX plus 1 into 256, this is correct.
হুম,
No, answer is wrong. Now I am starting how it will be look like. So I'm starting from over here, mode 0. Sir, in the previous case we are assuming the initial value is ABCD. Now we can assuming like AB0D. Why it's AB0D not ABCD? Because it not more than 1F.
হুম,
It will not be not more than 1F.
হুম,
Every time it will be below 1F.
হুম,
So it will be starting from AB0D, AB0E, as so on up to AB1F. After AB1F, it will be AC00 up to AC1F. Then AD00
হুম,
up to AD1F
81F।
up to FF1F. Next, if I am eliminating these portions, what will be the count of these portions? What will be the count of these portions?
1F minus 00 plus
Plus
1
1 means how much? 1F means
20,
1F
মানে
means
ও সরি 1F মানে কত তো?
just convert into the hexadecimal.
হুম, হুম,
Hexadecimal to decimal. F means
Decimal.
15 and 1 means 16. 16 plus 1, 15 means
19.
31.
হুম,
31, 0 to 31 means 32 count.
32,
32.
হুম,
So what will be the formula? FF minus AC plus 1 into 32.
হুম,
FF minus AC plus 1 into 32.
minus plus 1 into 32, হুম,
I'm repeat once again.
yes,
FF minus AC plus 1
plus 1,
into 32. Okay,
Yes, sir.
means 256 minus AB plus 1 into 32
হুম,
plus 256 minus
THX
THX plus
plus
1
1 into 32.
into
32.
32. Okay,
হুম,
next the plus portion means upper portions how much? 1F minus 0D,
0
1F minus 0D
আচ্ছা,
plus 1
হ্যাঁ 1F minus 0
minus 0D plus 1.
plus 1,
1F means 31. This is 132. So 32 minus 0D means 32 minus
EL
মানে হচ্ছে
TLX.
TLX.
So plus 32 minus TLX. Into 12 by FOS. Okay.
হুম
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. তো স্যার
হ্যাঁ।
আপনি এখানে জাস্ট এক্সাম্পল বলেছেন ABCD, তারপর এখানে AB 0D নিলেন, আমি যে কোনো নিয়ে ক্যালকুলেশন করে দেখতে পারি তো?
Same.
ওকে
করো একটা calculation. It will be
Okay.
same.
ওকে
But this portion value
ওটা তো 1F এক্সিড করতে পারবে না।
should not exceed the 1F.
ওকে ঠিক
Is
আছে,
it clear?
ইয়েস স্যার।
What will be the formula of mode 2? Mode 2 or mode 3 basically same. I will not say anything. It's a very simple.
মোটটি তো 0 থেকে FF অবধি কাউন্ট করতে পারে,
Hmm.
তাহলে আমি যদি AB টু FF ধরি অসুবিধা হবে না। কথা না।
Tell me how much? It's a very simple one.
Yes, sir. তারপর আবার তাহলে এটা হয়ে যাবে 8 মাইনাস 0 প্লাস 1 বেস is 15, 16, less than 16 হবে minus AB plus 1 into 16 মানে FF minus 8 plus 1 whole into 15.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
এটা তো আমি ফার্স্ট ইনিশিয়াল ভ্যালু AB0C ও ধরতে পারি বা AB00 তো ধরতে পারবো।
কেন একটাই ডিজিট ধরতে পারবে, AB ধরতে পারবে।
হ্যাঁ AB
8 bit, not
হ্যাঁ,
16 bit.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ।
এখানে একটা প্রশ্ন আছে
হুম।
যে আগের দিন মোড টুতে আমি বলেছিলাম THX is used to store the initialization value আর TLX used for counting the value.
Right.
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এখানে যখন আমি ক্যালকুলেশন তখন তো কাউন্ট হবে।
হোক না। This is say AB to FF.
হ্যাঁ স্যার হয়ে গেছে
How
formula
much count? It's a very simple. FF minus AB
AB
plus
plus
1.
1 হ্যাঁ
What will be the value? FF plus 1?
FF
56
হুম
minus AB. It's the initial value. So
Yes.
it's a THX.
THX হ্যাঁ
And call close 12 by FOSC. It's clear?
yes sir. THX কিন্তু স্যার মোড 2 তে খালি আমরা 00 থেকে FF অবধি কাউন্ট করতে পারবো,
Yes,
তার বেশি তো পারবো না।
yes,
আর যদি বেশি কাউন্ট করার থাকে তাও ওই জন্য আমাকে মোড 1 এ যেতে হতে পারে, তাই তো?
yes.
ঠিক আছে।
You can't have the other option also, like and FF minus ABCD
হুম।
plus 1. You can do like that.
আচ্ছা, এই ফর্মুলা ক্যালকুলেশনের জন্য তো?
And this is only single formula in hexadecimal.
হ্যাঁ।
Initial value. This is nothing but a THX and TLX. So we are going into the slide. This is the formula FFFF minus YYXX, means this is the initial value plus 1. This is can be a formula in hexadecimal. There is another formula like in hexadecimal 65536. 65536 minus initial value into 1 microsecond or into 12 by FOSC, whatever it is. And the delay program for in a mode 1, whatever we are, it is a mentioning, right? It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next part is nothing but a over here, problem 1, problem 2, and problem 3. This is your homework also. We will be do some program later on.
Let the actual frequency generated.
This is mode 2 auto reload mode.
আচ্ছা।
After timer is overflow, automatically the value of THX will be loaded into the TLX. Okay. Means whatever the value of THX, it will be automatically loaded into the TLX. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Hmm.
And split timer mode is nothing but a TL0 is for timer 0 and TF0 is for TH0
Timer
is for
one.
timer 1.
One.
So this is for TF, set the TF0 and this is set for TF1. Right?
Split timer mode. Yes.
Next, going into this mode 1.
Mode 2.
So next part is another program. This is also in mode 2. After the program, find out the frequency of the wave generated by P1.0 and the smallest frequency available in this program. Means you will be get a square wave with the help of this program, right? You
Yes,
will
sir.
be get a T. How will we get a T? T on plus T off.
T off.
How T? What is a T on?
It
is nothing but a delay.
When the value is 1.
Whatever it is. No. T on and T off, it's a delay. Nothing else.
Okay.
So you first calculate the delay time. Then twice of this time, it will be T.
T.
Then F is equal to 1 by T. It's very simple. Then we will get the frequency.
Hmm.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So next, how this program will be operating? This is 20. 20 means timer 1 mode 2. If you are converting into the in binary,
Hmm.
0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0, right? So this is, if forget about this one, this is a timer 0. This is for timer 1. So nothing but it will be timer 1 in which mode?
Mode 1.
Mode 2.
Mode 2. 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. Huh. Mode 2.
Mode 2.
Huh,
So mode 2 means auto reload mode. Remember,
Hmm.
mode 2 means auto reload mode.
0 0 to FF.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next is, you know, whatever you performing is done first. You just see that move th1 comma 05 means it will be count from 5 to how much? Mode
FF.
2 means FF. 05 05 to FF it will be
FF.
count.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, set BTR1. So timer will be run. Timer will be run means set BTR1 means this gate pin will be automatically on
Hmm.
as we are set the TR1. Means timer 1 will be coming in the operation.
Hmm.
Timer 1 starting from 05H and it's going on. When TF flag is set, then coming into the next line. Otherwise, this line will be repeated once again and once again and once again until TF flag is 1. Before TF flag is 0 means counting is going on. It will be repeat once again and once again. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
CPLP 1.0, just toggle. If 1, then 0. If 0, then 1.
0 then 1. Hmm.
CLR TF1
Clear. Or set it to 0.
means for the next time.
Hmm.
Again coming into the jump back.
Let's jump back.
Means this loop will be repeated. Just see here we are not storing the initialization value again
Auto save.
because auto reload mode it will
Auto
be
reload mode.
automatically stored this
Hmm.
5 into the TLX. That's why we are not stop the timer TR1 because it's not starting from the 00. It will be again starting from 05. So what will be the delay? First you calculate the delay using this mode formula. 256 minus 05H into 12 by FOSC. If you are calculating, this is a 12 megahertz. If any questions is given, if not given, so you can calculate like 12 megahertz or you can given 11.0592 megahertz, whatever it is, right?
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So basically, we are doing the same thing. How it will be worked like 256 minus 05 into 12 by 12. If I'm calculating, this is a, you know, frequency, clock frequency is
12.
12. If it is a 11.0592, then that will be different,
Hmm.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be happen? 251.
Hmm.
Okay. So T on is equal to T off is equal to 251. Okay.
Yes, sir.
251 microsecond. So T is equal to 502 microsecond. Sir, how?
So F is equal to 1 by T.
No, T is equal
No,
to
no, no. T equals
T
to
is equal
T
to
on
T
plus
on plus
T
T off.
off.
T on T off is all are 251. So 251 plus 251 is equal to 502.
Yes, sir. And
So
frequency F equals to 1 by T.
Your frequency is nothing but F is equal to 1 by T
1 by
2.
1 by 501
1 divided
Megahertz.
by 0.
megahertz.
502, sir. 502.
Oh, sorry, 502, whatever it is, 502 megahertz. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
again we are coming into the tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
We are given very small things because it's not like 8085 or not like 8086. I'm given a small speech on this.
Yes, sir.
I think another 3 to 4 is classes is required to complete the before the interfacing. Next week I think whole syllabus will be complete.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow I will be taking the our